Hello, good morning, everyone. So today class will be on class 9, chapter 4, and the topic will be linear equation in two variable. So firstly, let me define it. What is linear equation? So an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant real number, such that both a and b are not zeros, is called a linear equation in two variable. And this is also known as first degree equation in two variable. And a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. So an order pair, let's say x comma y whole. So the first component represent x, and this is called abscissa. And the second is known as the corresponding value of y, and this is known as corresponding. So let's see some example by solving it. So as we can see the definition, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant. That is, we can keep any number. It can be any number. And such that a and b, that is, a and b are not 0. There should be always a constant value, like 1, 2, 3, 4, any value. So this is called a linear equation in two variable. Since there is two variable, that is x and y, or we can say this one is a variable and this is a constant. So let's try to solve some problem. So as we can see it, the question, it says solve the following linear equation in one variable. Firstly, let's do it this one. So the first question is x by 3 is equal to minus 2. So to solve this, we need to find out the value of x. This implies to x is equal to minus 2, and this 3, if it is transported, then minus 2 into 3. And the x value will be 2, 3 is 6, and there is negative sign, minus, plus, minus. So the answer of one variable, that is x is the variable. So x is equal to, therefore x is equal to minus 6. And in case of Roman number 2, as we can see the question, 3x plus 2 is equal to x plus 4. So in this case, we have to rearrange it. Let's say there is 3x, and this x we have to transport to the left side. That is, if this is plus, it will be minus x is equal to 4, since it is still on the right side. So from the left side, let's transfer this 2 again. Then it will become minus. Since there is plus, when we transfer it, it will become negative. So 2. And furthermore, if we solve it, there's 3x and 1x, and the sign is minus. So if we minus it, 3 minus 1 is 2, and greater sign, there's, as we know, there's plus, minus, and the greater sign will be plus. And the variable is x and x, that is x. And to the right side, if we solve it, 4 minus 2 is, it gives 2. And x is equal to 2 is divided by 2. And this gives the value of x is equal to 1, 2, 1. And number 3, question number 3. In this type of question, we need to solve firstly the bracket. So we need to follow BODMAS rule. So this question implies to 3y plus 5 multiplied to give 10, minus, plus minus is minus, 5 into y is 5y. It's equal to minus 16. So in the same way, now we are going to rearrange it. That is 3y minus 5y is equal to minus 16. And if we transfer this one to the right side, this becomes minus 10. And solving further, so minus and plus, it is minus, greater sign. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And the variable is y. It's equal to minus and minus plus, but the sign, greater sign, is minus. Then if we sum up this one, minus minus plus, and this one is 26. And as left side and right side, there's both negative, we can cancel this one. And this become 2y is equal to 26. And y is equal to 26 by 2. So the variable y give 2, 1, 2, 3. That is 13. So I hope you understand one variable, linear equation in one variable. And let's try to do in two variable. So let's try to find out four different solution for each of the following. So here, as we see it from the question, there's two variable, that is x and y. So in this case, let's try to solve it in some other way. Let's try to take tabulation. Let's say x and y. So in simple way, we can write like x is equal to 3y 4 times on the side. X 3y. Then x is equal to, if we suppose instead of y, let's try to take y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Since we are going to find four different solutions, let's try to take four value of y. Then suppose the first one, let's take it, instead of y, let's take it 0. Then this give x equal to 3 into 0 is 0. So when we take y as 0, the value of x will be 0. And in the next step, if we substitute the value of y is equal to 1, let's say 1, then the value of x, we get it 3 into 1 is 3. So here, the value of y as we take it from there, it is 1. And the value of x, we get 3. Since we are going to find four value, let's take another one. X minus x is equal to 3y. And in this case too, the same formula should be applied. X is equal to, let's take, instead of y, let's take 2. And x give 3, 2 is 6. And the value of y, as we have taken here, is 2. And the value of x, 6. And here, let's take y is equal to 3. Then x, the value of x will be 3, 3 is 9. So the value of y is 3 and x is 9. So four different solution for this question of x, 3y are, let's say, all the x value, that is 0, 3, 6, 9. These are the four value. So let's see another question. So find the value of k if 1 and 2 whole is a solution of 3x plus 2y is equal to k. So as we learn it, order pair. This is an order pair. Order pair given is 1, 2 whole. So in this type of question order pair, the first one we will always assume as x. And the second we will always assume as y. And so here we get it, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So this value of x and y, we have to substitute in this equation to get the value of k. So the given equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to k. So now let's substitute this value. Implies to 3 into 1 plus 2 into y is, the value is 2. It's equal to k. So if we multiply 3, 1 is 3 plus 2, 2 is 4k. And since there is plus, let's sum it up. 4 plus 3, it gives 7. Therefore, the value of k is 7. So in this way, we can find the value of k. For your assignment, I'll give you 3 questions. As we have solved all this one, I hope you will be able to solve all these questions. And thank you.